Do you want to sound more natural in English? Let's learn 15 fun phrases you can use every day. 1. Rise and shine is used when waking up or telling someone to get out of bed. Example: come on kids, rise and shine. 2. Hit the snooze button to delay getting up when the alarm rings. I hit the snooze button 3 times this morning. 3. Grab a bite means to have something quick to eat. Let's grab a bite before class. 4. Freshen up. Wash face, brush teeth, and get ready. I need to freshen up before the meeting. 5. Head out. To go somewhere. I head out for work at 8 a.m. 6. Catch the bus. Take the bus. I always catch the 9 o'clock bus. 7. Clock in and clock out. Start or finish work. She clocks in at 8 and clocks out at 5 p.m. Are you learning something new? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English. 8. Kick back and relax. To rest after a busy day. After dinner, I just kick back and relax. 9. Hit the books. Start studying. It's time to hit the books for tomorrow's test. 10. Doze off. Fall asleep. I dozed off during the movie. 11. On the go. To do something while moving. I had breakfast on the go today. 12. Hit the hay. Go to bed. Hi, kids, it's time to hit the hay. 13. Hit the road. To start traveling. Hi, let's hit the road. 14. Call it a day. Decide to stop working for the day. Let's call it a day and go home. 15. Wrap things up. Finish work or an activity. Let's wrap things up by 6 p.m. Well, let's wrap up this video by commenting below which phrase was your favorite. Try using one of these today.